Everyone, today with a new scholarship video. Today video is about Japanese government scholarship, which is also known as MEXT scholarship. So I have a plan to make a video on Mahidol Thailand scholarship, university scholarship, but the website is not working well. So therefore, I'm going to make a video on Japanese government scholarship. So first of all, I'll give you a quick review that who can apply in this scholarship. Like you can see that this is basically a government based scholarship, but they have two tracks that you can apply through the embassy and you can apply through the university. So today video is about basically the University of Tokyo MEXT scholarship. But first of all, I want to tell you about that who can apply in this scholarship, like a master's, doctorate, and professional degree program. Regular graduate students or graduate international research students can apply in this scholarship. Number two, undergraduate students, regular undergraduate students. Each undergraduate student will be enrolled at a preparatory school designated by MEXT for a 1 year interview course in the Japanese language and other subject necessary for preparation for acceding to university. The preparatory courses last for 1 year. A grantee who has completed the preparatory education will go on to university designated by MEXT upon passing its entrance exam. So you have to understand this point that the undergraduate student not directly enroll into the program, but first of all they have to complete the Japanese language course for 1 year. Then they will automatically you will send to the designated program in the department. And what is the application method? I already told you that there are two application method. One is embassy recommendation and second one is university recommendation. So embassy recommendation is almost, I think, closed, but university recommendation, some universities are still offering MEXC scholarship. You can check on Google. So you can also apply on the University of Tokyo. So today I will guide you about this scholarship. Okay, so now first of all, I wanna show you that University of Tokyo, about their graduate schools, like graduate schools of agriculture, life sciences, graduate school of art sciences, graduate school of economics, education, engineering, frontier science, humanities and sociology, interdisciplinary information studies, law and politics, mathematical science, medicine, pharmaceutical science, public policy, graduate school of science, and graduate school of information science and technology. So this university offering a scholarship in these departments. So you can check each department one by one that where you want to apply and which department also offering a scholarship for the undergraduate. So today I'll just choose a school of science. You can see there last one here, the school of science program, that where I will guide you that how you can apply MEXC scholarship. Okay, one more thing is that each department have different dates to apply MEXC scholarship. Like the choose up department school of science, it have almost a week. You can apply in a week, like the last date is 31st October, or a first week of November, that you can apply in this department. But you can check the department what's the last date to apply MEXT scholarship. Okay, before going to making an application, I want to show you some important information about the MEXT scholarship. Like you can see that what are the qualification and condition that they require to apply for MEXC scholarship. Each department have a different criteria, so I'm just guiding you on one department. You can go for the other departments, it depends on you. Number of places, eligibility, who can apply in this department. In this department, international student will outstanding with outstanding academic record who wish to enter Japan in October 2026 as a new student to study the master or doctor program. So this department is only offering master and a doctor program, not an undergraduate. But you can check other department if they are offering a undergraduate, because MEXT scholarship also offering scholarship for undergraduate. I will show you later about the undergraduate also. Applicant who have already graduated from the latest degree program should have final grade point. This point is very important for you guys, because most of the students ask me that sir, there is any scholarship they require a less CGPA, less grade point. So in this scholarship you can see that the grade point is minimum 2.30 or higher, while current students should have a grade point of 2.3. So it didn't require 3.0. So if you have a 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, still you can apply in this scholarship. Okay, let's move to nationality. All international students can apply, and age is, you can see that April 1991. Academic background: applicant must have a necessary qualification. Okay, before going to making an application and how you can apply on this scholarship in University of Tokyo, I want to show you some important information about a university recommended Japanese government scholarship. So I already told you that embassy track scholarship are all, their date is already passed. That university recommended Japanese government scholarship. Some universities are still offering, and some universities are still they are closed now. So you can see that qualification and conditions of what kind of a qualification and condition you require to apply in this scholarship. I will show you one by one each of these things. Number of places that how many students can apply in this department, and eligibility. In this department, basically they are offering a scholarship for master and doctor student at the Graduate School of Science. Additionally, applicant who have completed their admission application for entering the master doctor program, instruction for international student how they can apply in this program. Applicant who have already graduated from their latest degree and they have a grade point is 2.0, it's a is 2.30 or 2.30 or higher. So this scholarship basically offering a scholarship, their requirement of GPA or CGPA is 2.3. So most of the students ask that if they have low CGPA, so where they can apply. So this opportunity is for those students also, that they can apply in this scholarship. Like you can see that the student should have a 2.30 GPA or higher. It depends on that what kind of qualification you have. After that is a nationality. Almost all international students can apply in this scholarship, and this is the age. In principle, applicant must be born or after April 2, 1991. So if your age is before 1991, I think your application will not be accepted. So you have to understand these kind of things. Applicant must have necessary qualification to be admitted to the Graduate School of Science, the University of Tokyo, as a master's or doctoral program students. And next part is the field of study and language proficiency. So this part is very important. Some people got confused during language proficiency. They clearly mention these things, that holds an English proficiency test score equivalent to B2 or above the common European framework of reference of language like a SAFR. So your IELTS should be 5.5 and your TOEFL should be 72. So they also mentioned that or has completed an educational program whose primary language of instruction is English, that satisfy the entrance requirement to the master or doctor program at the Graduate School of Science, the University of Tokyo. I already told you that each department have their own requirement, so you have to check the requirement very carefully during application makeup. Therefore, I am showing you all of the information there. You did not get got confused when you are going to apply for a scholarship. But to get all of the information, it is an important thing that you have to watch a full video before applying to the scholarship. And next one is the health arrival in Japan. Visa requirements, they mention all of the information. So now we move toward the scholarship period. There for a master program, they started from 2026 October, and the end year is 2028 September, and doctor program is until 2029. After that, scholarship benefit, so the scholarship benefit, they said that actual amount that 1 lakh 44,000 yen per month for a student of master, and for PhD student is 1 lakh 45,000 plus. They also give 2 to 3,000 yen may be added to those students undertaking study or research in some designated region of the country. The scholarship will not be paid to a recipient during a leave or absence or a long absence from his or her university. If, for example, if you go back to your country for 1, 2, or 3 months, so that they will never pay you a scholarship. So you have to remember these kind of things. Now is a traveling cost. Transportation to Japan. So MEXT will stipulate the travel schedule and route and provide airline ticket for recipient. So they will also provide you a air ticket to move to a designated university in Japan. So where you will get your MEXT scholarship. So you can read all of the things here. They mention that what kind of luggage you can take. You have to inform the university that when you are going, so they will arrange a ticket for you. In principle, MEXT will issue airline ticket to recipients who return to their home country within the final month of the scholarship period as specified in into. Okay, so this is very important. Second part is that if you when you will be graduate in your designated degree, they will also offer you a ticket that you can go back to your country. So this is very important thing. So next part is enrollment and tuition fee will be exempted. So it means that you don't need to provide any kind of enrollment fee, tuition fee. They also provide you some kind of accommodation. So they will give you a stipend. They will give you a travel subsidy. They also give you a insurance. So everything is free. So share this video with your friend so they can apply on this scholarship. Now, what kind of documents you need? So first of all, I want to tell you application form. You have to click it here and download application form. I will show you that application form for Japanese MEXC scholarship. You can see that for the research student, you have to fill all of the application form, and then where we have to upload this one, I will show you later. So the next part is the field of study and research plan. So please click here to download. So here you can click it and download that part for the research plan and what kind of template they require for the application. Letter of recommendation, you need a passport and a official transcript from which university you are graduated. Please submit an official transcript of the latest degree program like a bachelor, master, or PhD. Proof of proficiency language. Abstract of graduation thesis. If you are going to apply for a PhD degree, you have to provide abstract of your graduate thesis to for a PhD. Is a requirement of a PhD. An official statement, and also a copy of the student passport. These are the basically information about the scholarship, MEXC scholarship. So now, so this is the application form. I already show you that where you have to complete all of the information about yourself, like your surname, your given name, your gender, your nationality, your date of birth, your address here, and a phone number. And the second part is your basically your about your ME. You are going to apply for the, have you been awarded for a Japanese government scholarship in the past? You can click it no, and here you can mention about your specify the period of and the name of school and select the program number 1 to 9 from below the program category. So they will show you there like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here they are showing the research student, your undergraduate student, a teacher training. So you can check out these. After that, they are required some information about your previous study, and these are some questions that you have to check it yes or no. It depends on what kind of information they are asking from you. Okay, so there is a primary education, lower secondary education, and upper secondary education, tertiary education. You can leave those part that which you don't want to complete it, but better thing is that you have to give all of your information here. And because and after that completing the information, you can download it and print it, and again you can scan or upload in the application portal. I will show you that where you have to upload this application form. After that, you can see that field of organization, a specialization study in the past. Have you ever write a thesis? So you can click yes or no. The first course you plan to take in Japan, you can mention that if you are going to apply for a master degree, for a doctor degree, for a professional graduate degree, and no regular degree. It depends on you. And this is about do you currently are a job. If you're doing a job, you can click yes or no, and also you can mention your job position, that what kind of position you are designated in your company where you are doing a job. Here you can mention about your English ability, like is a reading, writing, speaking. And this is a complete form. You have to complete it carefully. Don't give any wrong information here, otherwise your application will be cancelled. Okay, so this is a MEXT application form where you can get these form. First one I already show you that you can get this form here, like MEXT. This one you click here and download it. And the second one where you have to submit your application, Here you can click online form for MEXT electronic application. Click it here, so you will get that part. This one. So here you have to write your name, family name, all of the information, nationality, and name of the university, a last degree, your graduation date, position, application form. So you have to upload the MEXT application form here. Upload number one, and second you have to upload the research plan, which I already show you here. This one you can download a research plan template, and then you have to upload the research plan here. And now the recommendation letter. Then you have to upload your passport here, and official transcript like 1 2 or 3. If you're going to apply for PhD, you need to upload all of the your previous education. Here you can upload your English language proficiency, which you can get from your previous education department, abstract of graduation thesis, an official statement, a copy of your student passport, and again you can confirm it. When you confirm it, it automatically submit to the university. So you don't need to submit two application like for a program or for a MEXT scholarship, because they did not ask any letter of notice from the department that you already enrolled, because we are directly applying in the department, so you don't need to apply two application. Your one application will be considered as a admission and for a scholarship. So this is a short video about MEXT scholarship about the School of Science department. Later you can check your department and apply your required desired department here. So share this video. I will attach all of the web link in the description of the YouTube video, so you can get all of the link and apply directly.